And last but not least, our staple food in Zimbabwe is salsa. Welcome to Vyakuno TV, and we are enjoying for real. You get me? Today we are talking about my favorite things. You know what I mean? My favorite 3 top movies. Yeah. This one is funny. I think all my movies, I'm just a unique youth. Prison Break will never be dethroned. I love that. You see me? Big up yourself, Wentworth Miller and the whole entourage. T-Bag was my favorite character. I am a savage, so yeah, we love the savages there. See me? And number 2, I gotta give it. I love this movie called Superfly. When I see Superfly, I see the life I want to live, And I was just in Atlanta blood. I felt it and I'm like, this is it. Superfly sold the American life to me good and I love it.